This short video will show you how to hide your profile picture from certain contacts on the WhatsApp program. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Frankie, and I'm the founder of MessagingAppLab.com, where I provide people with tons of free tips and tricks to master all the most popular messaging apps and social networks. Subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon if you don't want to miss all the cool stuff we share weekly. Time to get started. First and foremost, you should know that you can hide your profile picture from all contacts or just one person in particular. Let me show you how to do this. From an iPhone or Android, because the process is the same on either one, start by launching the WhatsApp application. Choose Settings in the bottom right corner from the screen of your iPhone. On Android, the menu icon, shown as 3 vertical dots, will then lead you to Settings. Next, choose Accounts. Then, press Privacy on the following screen. Tap on Profile Photo. Select Nobody if you wish for no one to see this picture. This includes all of your contacts. You can also choose the option for My Contacts, which limits access to this image to your address book. From here, copy and paste the contacts you would like to block in your Notes app and delete them from your phone book. By doing this, none of the contacts as you delete from your phone book will be able to see your profile picture anymore. You can still chat with them if you already have a conversation open with them in your threads. If you wish to learn more, I suggest you read a step-by-step guide on how to hide your WhatsApp profile picture I have on my blog.